If you're seeing Epic Games error code LS-0013, don't worry, this is usually a fixable launch issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest solutions step by step. We're going to cover the most common causes, including permission issues, corrupted game files, launcher cache problems, outdated graphics drivers, and the final option of reinstalling the game if nothing else works. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, start with the simplest fix. Run Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, then choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to start games properly, and in many cases that alone can clear the LS-0013 error. If the error is still there, the next step is to verify your game files. Open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage and then click Verify. Epic will now check the game files and automatically repair anything that's missing or damaged. This can take a few minutes, so let it finish before trying to launch the game again. Now here's another important fix. Sometimes the game itself is set to run as administrator, and that can conflict with the launcher. To check this, go to the game's installation folder on your PC. Find the game's .exe file. Right-click it and select Properties. Then open the Compatibility tab. If you see the option, Run this program as an administrator checked, uncheck it. After that, click Apply, then OK. This helps make sure the game and launcher are working with the same permission settings. If that doesn't solve it, clear the Epic Games Launcher cache. Close the launcher completely first. Then press Windows and R on your keyboard, type %localapp data% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, find Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved. Inside that folder, look for web cache and delete it. This cache can become outdated or corrupted and cause launch errors like LS-0013, so clearing it is a very common fix. Once you delete it, reopen Epic Games Launcher and try your game again. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. If you use NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience. If you use AMD, open the AMD software tool. Check for updates and install anything available. Outdated GPU drivers can cause games to fail at launch, especially after updates or new patches. After updating, restart your PC and test the game again. If you've gone through all of those steps and the error still continues, the last fix is to reinstall the game. Uninstall it completely from the Epic Games Launcher or from Windows, then download it again with a fresh installation. This is a bigger step, but if the game files are badly broken, a clean reinstall can be the only way to fully resolve LS-0013. So to recap, the best order is run Epic Games Launcher as administrator, verify the game files, disable administrator mode on the game EXE, clear the launcher web cache, update your graphics drivers, and reinstall the game if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will get you back into the game. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Epic Games fixes, and comment below if you want help with another error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.